This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and power source. This is where speed is decided. First, plug the original OnePlus 33W charger into a stable outlet and connect the supplied USB-C cable directly to the phone. Make sure the battery has at least a few %. Charging protocols negotiate faster currents only when safe. Once connected, watch the charging animation and status text. It should indicate fast charging. If not, keep this connection while you proceed to enable system settings and verify cable health. Now you enable the phone to accept higher currents and remove software limits. In settings, go to battery then charging options. Toggle on fast or optimize charging so the system allows higher wattage. Next, disable any power-saving mode and remove battery optimizations for apps that manage charging because they can throttle current. Also confirm USB behavior shows charge this device rather than data only. Once done, reconnect the charger and watch for the fast charge indicator. This ensures both hardware and software are aligned. Finish by confirming the phone actually charges fast and by handling the common problem cases. After enabling settings, monitor temperature. If the device gets hot, unplug, let it cool, then try again. Thermal protection temporarily reduces speed. If you still see slow charging, swap to the original charger and cable and test a different outlet to isolate faults. If problems persist, reboot the phone, reset charging settings, and only then consider a factory reset or OnePlus service. One key tip: test components first before buying replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.